In this video, I'll show you how to reinstall Windows 11 step by step. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Whether you're facing technical issues or you want to reset your PC before selling it, this method will work perfectly for you. And the best part is, you can choose whether to keep your files or remove everything. So let's get started. First, click on the Windows Start button at the bottom of your screen and open Settings. From the left side, click on System. Then scroll down and select Recovery. Here, you'll find the option Reset this PC. Go ahead and click on Reset PC. Now you'll see two options, Keep my files or Remove everything. Choose the one that fits your needs. In this example, I'll select Remove everything. Next, you'll be asked how you want to reinstall Windows: Cloud download or local reinstall. Cloud download will download a fresh copy of Windows from the internet, while local reinstall uses files already available on your system. I'll go with local reinstall. Now you'll see a summary of what's going to happen. Click Next, review everything, and then click Reset. Your PC will restart, and the Windows 11 reinstallation process will begin. One important thing, if you choose Remove everything, make sure to back up your important files, because all your data will be permanently deleted.